Did a software update break the 3D Viewer Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get Windows 3D Viewer resources running again. Before we start the 3D Viewer library configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the 3D Viewer library, the 3D Viewer shell engine. It manages the unmanaged localized rendering and manipulation of 3D models, GLB, STL, OBJ, within the native Windows 3D Viewer application and shell thumbnails. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. 3D Viewer Library DLL is commonly utilized in game graphics and audio processing routines. To resolve the error, install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX-related DLLs, then update your GPU drivers to ensure full OpenCL and OpenGL support. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including 3D Viewer Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace 3D Viewer Library DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for 3D Viewer Library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped 3D Viewer Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.